Workplace accidents are costly. They result in lost time, productivity, and morale. Most importantly, they can cause injuries and even fatalities. It is an employer's moral and legal obligation to provide a safe work environment. When incidents occur, it is essential to investigate what happened to prevent similar events in the future. Accident investigations are not about placing blame. They are about identifying the root causes of accidents and implementing corrective actions. The first step is to act quickly, secure the scene of the accident to prevent further injuries and preserve evidence. Provide first aid and medical attention to anyone injured. Once the immediate situation is under control, gather the names of all witnesses. Be sure to include anyone who may have seen or heard something relevant, even if they were not directly involved. Next, document everything. Take photographs and videos of the accident scene, including any equipment or materials involved. Collect physical evidence such as damaged tools or debris. Obtain copies of any relevant documents such as training records, safety procedures, and maintenance logs. Interview witnesses as soon as possible after the accident while their memories are still fresh. Ask open-ended questions and allow them to describe what they saw and heard in their own words. Be sure to document the date, time, and location of each interview, as well as the names of all participants. Determining the root cause. Rarely is there just one cause of an accident. It is usually a combination of factors that contribute to an event. These contributing factors are called root causes. By identifying the root causes, we can develop effective corrective actions to prevent similar incidents from happening again. One commonly used method for determining root causes is the 5 whys technique. This involves asking why 5 times to drill down to the underlying causes of an accident. For example, if an employee is injured while using a piece of machinery, we might ask, why was the employee injured? Because their hand got caught in the machine. Why did their hand get caught in the machine? Because the safety guard was not in place. Why was the safety guard not in place? Because the employee removed it. Why did the employee remove it? Because it was in the way and slowed down production. Why was production being prioritized over safety? Because there was pressure to meet a deadline. Implementing corrective actions. Once the root causes have been identified, it is time to develop and implement corrective actions. These actions should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, also known as SMART. They should also be designed to address the root causes identified during the investigation. For example, in the previous scenario, some corrective actions might include providing employees with refresher training on the importance of machine guarding, implementing a system for ensuring that safety guards are in place and functioning properly, reviewing production deadlines and quotas to ensure they are realistic and do not compromise safety, recognizing and rewarding employees for following safety procedures, fostering a culture of safety. Accident investigations should not be seen as punitive measures. Instead, they should be viewed as opportunities to learn from mistakes and improve safety for everyone. By involving employees in the investigation process, we can help them to understand the importance of safety and their role in preventing accidents. When employees feel like they are part of the solution, they are more likely to be engaged in safety efforts. Communicate the findings of the investigation and the corrective actions being taken to all employees. This will help to ensure that everyone is aware of the hazards and how to avoid them. It will also demonstrate the company's commitment to safety. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer workplace for everyone.